Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to find muted emails in Gmail. So if you have muted any of the mail in your mail list and you want to check that mail or you want to see that mail, then this video is absolutely for you. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up Gmail application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Gmail application, so first let me gonna show you how you can mute that specific mail. So I'm just here is the first mail. I want to make it mute. So what I have to do is simply hold on that specific email. So I'm just holding on that specific email. You guys can see it is turned into highlighted. So after making it highlighted, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of three dots. So after clicking on those three dots, you have to just simply click on mute. So you guys can see the one mail is muted by my side. So in order to check that, or in order to see that muted email, where is that? So I have to just simply click on the top left corner of three horizontal lines. So after clicking on that, just simply scroll down. So after scrolling down, you will be able to see the option which is all mail. You guys can see here is the all mail. You have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, now you guys can see here is the specific muted email, and you guys can see below the muted. So you guys can just check that email here. So in order to unmute it, you have to just simply hold on that specific chat and simply click on the top right corner of three dots. And after clicking on those three dots, simply click on move to inbox. So I'm just clicking on move to inbox. So after moving to inbox, you have to simply go to the above section and go to all inboxes. So and you guys can see here is that specific mail which you have muted. So here is the way to unmute the muted chats or muted mails in email. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.